So today we are going to start with next lesson, that is lesson number 4, subtraction. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. Let's see this with the help of an example. In this box, total 6 balls are there. A man came and he took out 2 balls out of it. So if he will took out 2 balls, you have to see how many balls left. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. If anybody took out 2 balls, total 4 balls left. So this is subtraction. It means out of total, if someone has taken away something that has been removed or reduced, the remaining one will be your answer. So out of total, you have to remove the reduced one, taken away by someone, and then the remaining one is your subtraction, the difference of that. Now let's see with the help of an example. As we have already done subtraction of 2 digits and 3 digits, so let's revise this 3-digit number. What method you have to follow is, first of all, as you have done in addition, we were adding the ones, tens and hundreds. Same in subtraction, the first step will be to subtract the ones, then second is to subtract the digit that are at tens place, and third step is to subtract the digit that are at hundreds place. So let's start with this. 9 minus 4. You have to subtract 4 from 9. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. Then let's see, 5 and this one 3. 3 is smaller, so we can subtract easily. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now out of 5, 1 is subtracted. It means how many left? 4. So your answer is 425. If you will subtract 134 from 559, you will get 425. Same way you can do with 4-digit number. What to do is, first you subtract the ones, then tens, then hundreds, and finally the digits that are present at thousands place. So let's see how. First of all, we will see at ones place. At ones place we have 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. And again 0 minus 0. Then if you will remove 8 from 9, we will get 1. So answer is 1040. Let's see other example. In this, at ones place we have 2 and 1. So we can subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. Then tens place 5, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And again 5, 4. It is 1. Then we will subtract 5 from 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So you got answer 2111. A very good morning to all of you. So in previous class we have discussed how to subtract a 3-digit number. In this class we will discuss about how to do subtraction of 4-digit number. So in this I have given a question, subtract 4255 from 8129. So before starting, first we have to arrange the numbers in column. So we have to arrange this in columns like that. As this number is greater, we have to subtract from this number and we have to subtract this number. So we are going to write this first, 8129 minus 4255. Now let's start with, so the first step to subtract any number is to start subtracting the ones digit. So here at ones digit we have 9. So 9 minus 5 is, as you know, 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we will subtract the digit that are at tens place. Tens place we have 2 and 5, but we cannot subtract 2 from 5. So what we will do is we will borrow from hundreds. So we'll take 10 hundreds. So it will change into 12, and we have taken from this, so it will change into 0. Now 5, we have to subtract 5 from 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here we have 0, so we cannot subtract 2 from 0. So what we will do, we will borrow from thousands place. So if you will borrow from thousand place, it will change into 7, and then it will give, so it will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now let's see at thousand place, 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 3874. So let's see some more examples. Here you have numbers like at ones place we have 0, 0. As you know, if you will subtract 0 from 0, it will be 0 only. Then tens place we have again 0 minus 0 is 0. Now let's see at hundreds place. It is 0 minus 1. As you know, 0 is smaller, we can't subtract 1 from 0. We will borrow from thousands place. So if we will borrow from thousand place, it will change into 0 and it will become 10. So now you can see, you can easily subtract 1 from 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, and this one 0. So our answer is 900. Let's move on to next example. In this example, again we will follow same rule, same steps. That is, first we will subtract the digit that is at ones place, then tens, then hundred, and then thousand. So let's start with first one, ones digit. So ones place we have 0. We can't subtract 4 from 0. We will borrow from tens. So if we will borrow from tens, it will change into 10 and it will change into 8. Now do subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. Now at hundreds place we have 8. 8 minus 3 we can easily subtract, so it will be 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now let's move on to thousand place. We have 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 only. So our answer is 2526. Let's move on to one more example. Here also 4 is smaller. So what we will do? We will borrow tens from that. So it will change into 3 and it will take 10 tens. So it will change into 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now here 3 is smaller than 5. So we cannot subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow from hundreds. So if we will borrow from hundreds, it will change into 8 and it will change into 13. Now 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Let's move on to at hundreds place. Hundreds place we have 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then thousand place. 5 minus 2 is 3. So our answer is 3287. So it is same as that of 3-digit number, but here thousand place is also there. So same steps you have to follow. Do its practice